Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Hey guys, how are you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today I've come to the Leeds market. So let's make our entry inside. So here we are. So we've got ladies accessories here, rings. Got 50p. Scarves here. Got some tracksuits here for £11. Got different sizes, different colours. Fantastic. Got some shoes, trainers. Yeah, it's a rainy day today, guys. It's an awful day. Some more shoes. Ladies. Men's. Bit of mixtures of shoes. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day today. Up this side, got some CDs. Got a sale on here. Some more CDs here. Different kind of variety of CDs. Superb. This side we've got some more ladies' clothing. Oh wow, check this out. This is all good. Got some telephones. Got some DVD players, sky boxes. Remote controls. Mobile accessories, mobile cases. Got some more CDs down here. Got some shirts here. Some more shirts, jackets, tracksuit bottoms here, all in a sale. Right, look guys, let's make our way inside the Kirkgate market. This is the inside of the Kirkgate market. Plenty of people around today. Got some pop rocks, 1960s, 1970s songs you can get here. Different kind of varieties. Mobile shop this here, some different kind of mobiles. Fruit and veg, just here guys, fruit and vegetables. It's great. From this side, we've got men's clothing, just here, work clothing. A different kind of clothing which you can get. Got some jackets here. We also do shoes, work shoes in there as well. Different, got some tops here. It's good. Come down here. We've got a clearance on here, so it's £10. So you got tops, yep, trousers. Amazing. Got a takeaway just here. There's a variety of food. That's great. Got some raincoats here for ladies. Tops for men's. Different kind of colours people choose. Got Fletcher's fabrics and netting wool just here. It's got all the food courts here in this section. Different kind of variety of food. Table tennis just here. That looks good to play. Got Istanbul bakery here. Let's see what they do in Istanbul bakery. So we've got pizzas here. We've got pepperoni, margherita, chicken tikka. Looks nice. Hey guys, got some more clothing this side. Plenty. We've got some carpets here. Got rugs. Different kinds of variety you can choose from. Got some sweets here. That's good. These were here. That's good. That's the car park over there, another side of the car park. You've got army jackets, shirts, bags. Got some cases here. Got a boxing bag here. Boxing bag. Everything to do with fitness here, this side. Good. Another boxing bag. You got some gloves here as well. You got some head guards here as well. More punching bags. Some more bags here. Come to this side, got some clothing. Got some hoodies here. Different kind of sizes. Guys, I've got plenty of shirts on this side as well for
shirts
men's.
Shirts by every size pretty much.
Which every size?
We've got some Boss, Palm Angels, Amiri, Moncler.
You got the John Lewis car park just there. You've got Top Bear just there. As you got some household items here. Yeah, cutlery sets, plates, pans. This side as well. Got a toaster at the back to do a bit of clothing as well. Ladies' purses. Got some ladies' clothing here. On this side, different kind of colours. I think guys, that was the end of the market. So let's finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one. Have a great day.